Hi, Cher Johnston here. I'm just going to do a little slow stitch snippet. I have a couple of little tiny pieces of fabric and a little piece of lace. I just sewed them together on the bottom. And I have some threads here from Jenny Clouston. And I have 2 needles that are threaded. And I'm going to try to film this and stay on camera. So I'm just going to do some straight stitches. I like these. I like them a lot. It's just a up and down, in and out. And there's the boss. I don't know if she's gonna let me continue. We'll see. Yeah, sweetie. Yeah, honey. Do you want to get up here with me? There she is. All right. I'll be back. Okay, she's eating now, so maybe she'll let me do this for a little bit. If you hear the little slurping noises, that's the boss. That's my Mitzi. So what I'm attempting to do here is to stay on camera. Here she is again. All right. I think we're good now. Okay, I'm just putting some, I don't know, little stems, little stitches that might look something like stems. Maybe. Or grass. Or, you know, whatever. Little green sticks. All right, and let's put some that come down from the top like this. One there. And one there. Then over here, I think I want them to come up from the stem, just slightly. Let's put this one here. Just little straight stitches. I'm using a variegated thread so that it has different colors, changes colors. And here comes the boss again. No, she's just sniffing around. Yeah, sweetheart. Okay. She's gonna go sit in the front window. Okay. I'm a little off center, a little off balance. I don't know if it matters. I'm trying to not be so stiff and symmetrical in my art practice these days. I do like the symmetry. You notice that I put it like off center. I did the fabric's a bit wonky. Okay. That's all I'm going to do with this for now. I'm just going to park it here on the mat. And I have this other color. This is also a variegated thread. And I'm just going to start a little ways away from that, the top of that stem. And I'm going to always come back to like that center point. And the stitches are not always the same length. At least I'm trying to not make them all the same length. And different directions, but always sort of pointing from that center point. Now I don't go one after the other around in a circle because it tends to look, I don't know, they don't come out right. Try it, you'll see what I mean. This way I can start with short ones and make some longer, or start with long ones and make some shorter, and they're not like, I don't know, if I do them one after another like that, they tend to be too symmetrical and uniform. Or I have to remember to stay on camera. That one I think is looking pretty good. I'm going to go over here and do a different one. Now this time, I'm just going to do stitches that go down. Because, you know, sometimes flowers you only see like half of it, or I don't know, they break off or whatever. But we're going to do stitches that go down. Then I'm thinking maybe one or two that go up, but just tiny. Little tiny, you know, like maybe you're seeing part of the petal or something. I stabbed right in the middle of that stitch, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm liking that. Now one more, and this one is taller, so I think I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. Maybe. We'll see how it comes out. Again, I'm going to start in the middle and go out from the center. And start in the middle, go out from the center. Start in the middle again. Sorry, I just hit the camera stand. Getting a new one. Should be here tomorrow. I'm hoping it will help with, I don't know if it's going to help with my problem of staying on camera, but who knows, it might. Wow, I said I wanted a bigger flower, but oh my gosh. That's big, all right. Let's put some shorter petals in there, kind of fill it in a bit. Sometimes in Jennifer Clouston's book, she does these flowers that are sort of like this, but she uses different threads, and it looks really cool. Maybe I should try some of those. I'm going to go a little toward the center, and not out so far. Okay. Not sure what I don't like about it, but I'm going to use my green thread because I have it here. I'm going to go into the center of one of these. And I had wanted to just do all straight stitches, but I can't resist. This is a colonial knot. And I'm going to pull it a little tight, not too tight. Pull it through the back there. I like it. This one, I'm making a mess. There we go. I'm going to do another colonial knot. I'm going to go back this way and around here. Stick it in there. And I want it fairly close there. This time I'm going to pull on it rather tight to make a smaller knot. And then I just want to make sure that pink thread's not tangled up in the back. Okay, here we have our 3 little flowers. I think that's done. Might be done. What do you think? That's it for now. What do you have to say? Yeah? Yeah? What do you have to say, honey? Meow. Yeah, baby. Yeah, sweetie. Say bye.